Hi, I'm AI Sam. Welcome to the AI Automation Success Team. Today, I'm your budget chef.
We'll fight rising pet food costs with Gemini. Pet food prices keep climbing. Barnaby eats special senior food. I need to save money without sacrificing his health.
I love to cook for Buster, but I'm terrified of using toxic ingredients. How do I know what's safe for my pets without becoming a vet?
That's a common question. Today, we'll use Gemini to be your pet nutritionist and budget analyst.
It's simpler than you think. I found a recipe online, but it has strange ingredients.
How do I know if this is safe for Barnaby, who has a sensitive senior tummy? Don't guess. We'll ask Gemini to safety scan that recipe for Barnaby. It's like having a digital expert by your side, 24/7.
Typing chicken, rice, peas, carrots, onions. I'll type the ingredients into Gemini. Chicken, brown rice, peas, carrots, and onions. Wait, are onions safe for cats? Gemini screen. Red, warning. Onion toxicity explanation. Oh no, Gemini says onions are toxic for cats. This recipe could have really hurt Barnaby. I almost made a terrible mistake. Never trust a random recipe without a safety scan from Gemini. Suggestion: confirm, verify with veterinarian.
It can save your pet's life and your heartache. These store-bought treats are so expensive.
I know I can bake healthier ones at home, but what if I use something that upsets Buster? I found a recipe for dog biscuits with peanut butter. Gemini, can you check if peanut butter is safe for dogs? Some brands have xylitol.
Gemini screen. Safe checkmark plus xylitol warning. Gemini says peanut butter is safe, but warns about xylitol. That's a good tip. Confirm check with your veterinarian.
I must always check the label for that hidden ingredient.
Xylitol is common in sugar-free foods and is highly toxic to dogs. Always check every label every time.
I'm comparing store prices. Okay, so I know what to cook. Now how much does it cost? Gemini, can you help me budget? I need to know if this is worth my time. Cost comparison, homemade versus premium pet food in NJ.
I'm asking Gemini to compare costs. Homemade versus premium store-bought. I want a clear breakdown so I know I'm saving money.
Table, homemade $12.50 versus brand $35. Look at that. It's less than half the price to make it at home. That's incredible savings.
Barnaby will get healthier food, and I'll save. Sam points to savings column. $ icon. Dialogue. This is Gemini as your budget analyst.
It connects to real-time prices in your area, showing you actual savings, not just guesses. I have carrots and green beans. Gemini, what other vegetables are perfectly safe for dogs and would be a good addition to Buster's homemade treats? Gemini list: pumpkin, sweet potato, blueberries. Blueberries, Buster loves those. And pumpkin is great for digestion.
Now I have more options to make his treats extra special and healthy. Safe food list board. Reinforcement. Gemini is your pet nutritionist.
It gives you a safe food list, preventing accidental harm to your furry family members. I want to make Barnaby some healthy cat treats. Gemini, find a simple 3-ingredient cat treat recipe that is also good for senior cat teeth.
Recipe: tuna, egg, oat flour. Note: soft for seniors. Tuna, egg, and oat flour. That sounds perfect. Barnaby loves tuna, and it's soft for his older teeth. This is exactly what I needed. Gemini helps you customize.
It understands senior cat teeth and sensitive stomachs, giving tailored, safe results. Rose walking Buster in park. Gemini, I found a plant with red berries. Could this be poisonous if Buster accidentally nibbles it while we're walking? Gemini scan. Warning: holly berries toxic. Oh no, it's holly. Gemini says those are toxic. Good thing I checked.
I will make sure Buster stays far away from this plant. Safety shield graphic. This is real-time protection. Gemini uses its visual recognition and web access to identify dangers in your environment instantly.
Gemini, add a check pet food stock reminder to my Google Calendar every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. I keep forgetting. Calendar, check pet food stock event. Dialogue, it's done. Now I'll get a reminder every Sunday. No more running out of food or making emergency trips to the store. That saves me time, workflow. AI is greater than calendar icon.
Reinforcement. Gemini integrates with your Google Calendar, automating reminders. You set it once, and it remembers for you. Rose phone shopping list.
Buster pawing my leg. Let dance. Gemini, add canned pumpkin and oat flour to my shopping list for the pet treats. And a new chew toy for Buster. Shopping list updates. Perfect. My list is updated. Now I won't forget anything when I go to the store. This makes grocery shopping so much easier.
If you use Gmail or Google Maps, Gemini can talk to them, making your life smoother. Pile of vet bills. Gemini, look through my Gmail. When was Barnaby's last dental cleaning? I can't find the bill, and the vet needs the date.
Gemini search. Dental Cleaning Oct 14th. There it is, October 14th. I don't have to search through hundreds of emails myself.
Gemini finds the information for me instantly. Data retrieval icon. Teaching point, this is data retrieval.
Gemini can act as your personal assistant, finding important information quickly.
Gemini, is this specific type of daffodil bulb toxic to dogs if Buster digs it up and tries to chew on it?
Gemini scan. High toxicity warning. It's toxic. I need to put a fence around my daffodil patch.
Thank goodness for Gemini, or Buster might have gotten sick. Sam, red stop sign icon.
Reinforcement. Use Gemini to identify dangerous plants in your garden. It's a vital tool for keeping your pets safe and healthy.
Gemini, I want to email my neighbor about sharing homemade dog treats. Can you write a friendly email inviting her to swap recipes? Gemini, email draft. Hi neighbor, Rose and I are making healthy pet treats. Would love to swap recipes. Let me know if you're interested. Perfect.
Save money and keep pets safe. You've seen Gemini help save money, keep pets safe, and organize your life.
This is true AI automation in action. Rose, Arthur, sharing treats with Buster. I love knowing I'm feeding Buster healthy, safe treats, and it costs so much less than the expensive store brands. Remember, Gemini for action and safety.
ChatGPT for creative ideas. Use the right tool for the right job. Subscribe, sign. Please click the subscribe button.
I feel so much more confident about using technology now.
It's not about being a computer genius. It's about knowing which buttons to push. Rose holding Buster's paw. The AI automation success team has made such a difference for us. My pets are safer, and I'm a smarter pet parent.
And you are part of our success team. Keep learning, keep asking questions, and keep using AI to improve your life. Because a healthy pet means a happy home. And a happy home means a happy life.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you and your pets enjoyed our AI lesson. See you next time.
Note, logos are AI generated for education only. Before you go, a quick word about our AI generated content and our legal notices. Text, legal disclaimer, AI generated content, synthetic characters, voices. This video is 100% AI generated. Our characters, their pets, and their voices are all synthetic. Humor, pets, and fictional examples are used to enhance engagement and do not represent real events, endorsements, or guarantees. This is for teaching you in an engaging way, not veterinary advice. Consult a pro before diet changes. We are educators, not vets. Always consult a licensed veterinary professional for your pet's health. The AI suggestions are for learning. No affiliation, independent channel. Legal disclaimer. AI generated content notice, please read. This video and its accompanying materials contain content created with the assistance of artificial intelligence, AI technologies. We are an independent channel. We are not affiliated with Google or OpenAI. This is purely for education. Verify all facts. AI can make mistakes. Check sources. AI can make errors. Always verify critical facts, especially pet safety, with official sources. Don't rely solely on AI for major decisions. Privacy first. No sensitive info in public AI tools. Protect your privacy. Never share personal, financial, or private health information with public AI tools. Stay safe and smart online. Thank you for joining the AI Automation Success Team. We are dedicated to helping you thrive with technology. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep automating your success. See you next time. Please subscribe, watch next video, leave comments below.